How do I check the condition of my car's brake pads? Checking the condition of your car's brake pads is an important aspect of vehicle maintenance to ensure your safety and the proper functioning of your brakes. Here is how you can check the condition of your car's brake pads. Visual inspection. Wheel removal. Start by safely jacking up your vehicle and removing the wheel of the specific corner you want to inspect. Make sure to use appropriate safety measures, such as jack stands. Locate the brake caliper. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper, which is the part that clamps down on the brake rotor when you press the brake pedal. The brake pads are located inside the caliper. Inspecting the brake pads. Viewing through the caliper. Some vehicles have openings in the caliper that allow you to see the brake pads without removing the caliper. If your car has this feature, you can visually inspect the brake pads through the openings. Removing the caliper. If your vehicle doesn't have openings, you may need to remove the caliper to inspect the pads. To do this, you'll need to remove the caliper bolts and carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Be cautious not to put too much stress on the brake line. Brake pad thickness. Thickness check. Once you have a clear view of the brake pads, check their thickness. New brake pads are relatively thick, while worn pads will be thinner. Wear indicator. Many brake pads have wear indicators, which are small metal tabs that make contact with the rotor when the pads become too thin. If you see the wear indicators, it's a sign that the pads need replacement. Evenness and wear patterns. Even wear. Check for even wear across the brake pads. Uneven wear might indicate issues with the braking system that need attention. Wear patterns. Inspect the brake pads for any unusual wear patterns. For example, if you notice grooves or scoring on the pad surface, it could indicate problems with the caliper or rotor. Comparing to new pads. Visual comparison. If you have access to new brake pads, you can compare the thickness of the current pads to the new ones to gauge their wear level. Check all 4 wheels. Repeat the process. If you're checking the brake pads on one corner of the vehicle, make sure to repeat the process for all 4 wheels. Remember that if you're not comfortable performing this inspection yourself, it's a good idea to have a qualified mechanic or technician perform the inspection for you. They can provide expert advice and recommendations based on the condition of your brake pads. Regular brake pad inspections are crucial for ensuring your vehicle's braking system is in good condition. If you notice any signs of significant wear, uneven wear, or unusual brake behavior such as noise or reduced braking performance, it's recommended to have your brake system inspected and serviced promptly.